Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what does page break do in your Microsoft Word. So what it does basically is actually just give you a new page regardless of where you are, and it will just make a page break. So if you have a shortcut key in your keyboard that says page break, you can use that. But if you're using Macs, it doesn't have that. So here in help, you want to search page break. If you're just too lazy to find one, it will actually just do it for you here. So break, page break, so it's an insert, break, and page break. So its shortcut is command and enter, and you'll be able to actually do a page break, which gives you another page, as you can see. So there you go guys. Basically it just creates another page until you will see a new one, and until your heart desires a new page break, of course. So that's it, and thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe, and see you again next time.